Video 15. meditationguide.org.
Sitting meditation. Find a quiet environment. Sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight and put your hands on your lap. Breathe in deeply through your stomach and breathe out slowly through your mouth a few times to relax your body. Once you're relaxed, close your eyes, continue to breathe deeply from your abdomen, long inhalations, long exhalations, and simply pay attention to your breathing. Just notice the breath going in and out of your diaphragm, or notice the rising and falling of your stomach. By noticing and relaxing, the mind is able to keep focus on the present moment and become alert. Should a thought arise, just pull your attention back to noticing the breath. Breathe fully from your stomach, relax and enjoy noticing the movement of your breath. Feel the joy that arises in your mind while you're being at peace with yourself.
End of video 15. meditationguide.org.